there is a really low possibility that you might have seen this feature before. Well, now you have price ladder on DEXT where you can see complete bid ask and dynamic tick to tick changes. Not only this, now you can directly place orders from bid ask, tweak your positions and see your order summary. This is literally institutional level feature but for retailers. Let me show you how to use it on DEXT. So we are in front of the DEXT terminal and let's see how does price ladder works in real time. So we can see that market is open और हम देख सकते हैं कि so many movements are happening at this moment. So what we'll do is we'll remove a lot of things. We'll remove depth. I want all of your focus to be on the price ladder itself. So first I'll show you something. We'll go to orders and execute it. You can see that we have placed a lot of orders recently and there are some positions also. Simply you can see we have place some orders for this stock and then this stock as well. There's one position also for this stock. As soon as you open the price ladder, you can see full depth of that stock. Plus, you can directly place any buy sell order from the ladder here directly by boom, one quantity bought. And at the same time, you can sell also. So this is one. Apart from that, you can see all your order summary below the price ladder. So you can see the quantity, the position we have right now, what's the average, the type of the position, you can see the P&L also. From here, you can say, I click on close positions. All of your positions are now closed. Again, we'll hit one by, do this, and then say you want to reverse this position. Simply click on reverse and boom, your position is now reversed. So that's how useful price ladder is. I feel this is one feature which is not available for retailers in the market as of this moment, and you can see how dynamic a price ladder is. Also, this is like a mid-cap stock, but imagine the same thing for something like a Nifty option or a Bank Nifty option. You can see the entire depth of the market at this moment and every single change which is happening. This is like a institutional level data but for retailer. So you can tweak around, you can do anything you want from the price ladder. I would personally prefer to directly trade from the price ladder, seeing all the action happening. Let's see some options as well. Let's see what's happening. So let's see any options at 26,500 call option of Nifty. So we have this call option of Nifty and you can see the entire depth of this. At what price people are buying, at what price people are selling, every single thing you can see here. All the orders, you can see that at 22 we have the highest buy orders. You can do anything. You can also place say I want to place a limit order at 22. You can just place a limit order at 22. Boom. Now you have a limit order at 22. So that's how easy it is. You don't have to press anything. You can tweak the quantity here first and then place a limit order. So that's how useful a price ladder is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out price ladder on DEXT and let us know your feedback in the comments. Thank you so much for watching the video.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.